TT's Playroom. Hi friends, let's explore domestic animals. Dog. Dogs can smell 40 times better than you can. Cat. Cats cannot taste anything sweet. Chicken. Chickens are related to dinosaurs. Fish. There are over 30,000 different kinds of fish. Cow. Cows cannot see the color green or red. Horse. Horses sleep standing up. Sheep. Sheep don't have top teeth. Duck. Ducks are omnivores. That means they eat plants and fish or insects. Rabbit. A rabbit's teeth never stops growing. Pig. Pigs are one of the smartest animals on the planet. Donkey. There are more than 59 million donkeys in the world. Turkey. Turkeys enjoy music and will sometimes chirp along. Parrot. Some parrots can mimic human language. Goat. Goats only use one side of their mouths to chew. Pigeon. Pigeons can live for more than 30 years. Llama. Llamas have 3 stomachs. Tortoise. Tortoises smell using their throats. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!